How to connect Apple Pay using Stripe.
The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your website Stripe. Enter your login credential and then sign in to a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this interface. Head over towards the payment section at the top. In this page, you'll see the option of wallet. Inside wallet, different payment methods will be available to you. You can also see the Apple Pay is visible to you. You need to click on Apple Pay and then toggle on this option. Once you have toggled on, the Apple Pay will be enabled on your Stripe account. Now whenever you try to make any of the payment on Stripe, you can select Apple Pay as the payment method. And with the help of that, you can make the payment with it. And then you'll be good to go.
So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to connect Apple Pay using Stripe.
I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching it till the end.